Hi guys, I'm Neda and I'm here with another video. This video gives you some information so you can have an easier latex practice. So if you're interested to learn more, keep on watching. As you can see, I do have 4 different blade holders in this video. The black one are disposable, which means that they already come with the blade. And the silver one are multiple use, which means that you have to buy the blade to attach them to the holder. When it comes to the style of the holding the blade, as you can see, the first 2 are holding the blade straight forward in 90-degree angle. We call them eccentric style. And these 2 are holding the blades in an angle, 45-degree angle, and we call them slope or slanted style. They are classic version of the microblading holders, and these are advanced and more modern version. So when it comes to practicing on latex, as you know, you might have one of these and you want to work on your latex. Imagine that this is latex. You have to work with the sides of the blade. So you have to either work like that, or you have to go like this and work this way. In this case, your wrist will be very tired. As a beginner, you're not used to practicing on latex and your wrist gets very tired after a few hours. Another thing is that these type of blades are very fragile and very soft, and they bend easily. As you can see, they bend very easy. And if you are a beginner, you're gonna have a very heavy hand and you're gonna put lots of pressure. So you will bend this and you will end up breaking this a lot, and you're going through a lot of these type of blades for your practices. So my recommendation for you is to switch to slanted or slope blades. These type of blades, first of all, they are in an angle. As you can see, they are already in an angle, so you don't need to bend your hand. You can easily work your practice. Plus, they are very stronger compared to this one. So you're not gonna break this one easily. Your wrist will not be as tired because they are already in an angle, and you can have an easier latex practice. When it comes to working on clients, I highly recommend you to work on a client with these type of blades, because let me show you something. As you can see here, I do have 2 different blades here. They are both U and they are both 18. But look at the difference in the thickness. The Phibrows blade is very thin, and of course the quality is very high, but this one is a no-name brand U blade that I bought it from Amazon for my latex practice. So when it comes to the quality of your work and working on your clients, make sure that you invest in quality brands, because that will give you the best result as well. And also, please make sure to practice a lot on latex before you're going to work on people's face. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. I will appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel. Every week I will have brand new videos about different tips and tricks of this permanent makeup world. And if you do have any questions, feel free to comment it below, and I will be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.